So over here you can see that I have a strikingly page right here, which is in a certain format with certain fonts. If you want to go ahead and change around the fonts that you have for different sections like heading, for the main title and so forth, then what you can simply do is go to the style section right here on the left hand side. Then you can go ahead and expand out the font, and over here you can see that there are separate fonts used for different sections. You can go around onto title, let's say for example, and it highlights out the title. So around from over here, you can choose the type of font that you want to use. For example, I can go ahead and let's say for example, use, let's say for example, Teens 1 right here. And that is the title that you have. The heading is in bungee style, as you can see right here. So if you were to go ahead and choose that, then that changes out to that particular style. So you can see that there's a lot of text styles being used, but usually it's a good idea to not use too many text types and stick to 3 text types. One for the main site title, one for the heading, and one for the regular text. So I'm simply going to go around over here and change this out to Titanium itself right here, and then this is what you have. But with the same text type as well, for example, I can go ahead and choose 700 right here, just like this, for a heavier text as I want as well. So you can see that this is the nav buttons right here, which is in Titanium. So let me just go ahead and change it to in use section as well. So Tivo narrow is here. So if I were to go ahead and change it, then certain text will be applied right here, just like this. You can go ahead and use any text that you want right here. For the nav item, you can use one. For the buttons, you can use other. For heading, you can use one. And for title, you can use one as you please. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the font that you have used in the website as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.